Hi everyone, please excuse the absolute state of me, but I'm quickly filming a video because I have a Lovecraft haul. If you want to see what I got, keep on watching. So if I'm being a bit quiet, I might have to turn the volume up on this. I'm babysitting my granddaughter and she's currently asleep, and the Hermes / Every, or whatever they're called now, man has just bought me my Love Crafts order. So I only ordered this on Friday and today is Monday, and I'm very excited because I've got my crochet back. I want to make lots of things, and also I ran out of yarn for a project, so I need it. But I've also run out of yarn for another project, but that's a whole other story, so I'll have to put another order in. But their delivery was super quick. I just got the free delivery because it's over £30. Let's have a look what's inside. Look at my little it's so cute. Watch the baby wake up now. Down here and I can show you. So this is what I've been waiting for. Dropped one. Is this Paintbox DK cotton. So I put an order in with Hobby because I'm making a tote bag for an upcoming video, but I used their Cotton Kings 88 and like an idiot I didn't order enough and it is now discontinued. So I had to do an emergency purchase of Paintbox DK, but this is beautiful. It's a totally, oh, excuse me, different colour, new colour that I'm going to add in because I had to use my brain because I didn't have enough yarn. So this is the shade Dusty Rose, and it's not very rose-like, it's lilac, which is what I wanted. It's just with a bit of a weird name for a shade. Sorry, I'm filming this on my phone because I also have another delivery coming later, which is my new camera, which I'm very excited about. I got it on the Prime Day sale. So currently I'm not down the Sam house because the baby's asleep and filming this on my phone. Precariously balanced. Anyway, so I got 4 of these beautiful Paintbox. The shade, the colour is 442. Dusty Rose. So I got 4 of them. So that's them. Next, this is all Paintbox, which I've never used before. So I have got 3 of these and 1 of these. And this shade is, oh, it doesn't say, it just says 006. And this, oh, it's so soft. Paintbox Chenille. It is really, really squishable. I got this because I'm going to knit. I know I'm all about the crochet, but I'm going to knit the baby a jumper. I found a really simple pattern in these colours. So it's 3 of these and then just like a little bit of this pink. I think I got a bit of a lilac thing going on by the looks of it. Then next I have 3 of these. I am going to crochet a top for autumn. This is just a Paintbox Simply DK. This is colour number 66. It probably does have a name. I'll link all these below. It probably does have a name, but not on here. This is really soft. I've never used Paintbox before, and this is lovely. And it was cheap because it was in the sale. So I've got 3 of these. Because I didn't have enough yarn for my other one, I kind of over-ordered, but I'll just use it up for whatever. And then the final thing in my bag. Oh no, actually I'm confusing myself. I got this for a cardie for Lily. That's what this one was for, not for me. this is the one for me. This is also DK. This is going to be a top. It's just going to be like a really simple top that you can put like a t-shirt underneath. So this is shade 69. It's like a really nice like heathery colour. It is a bit lighter than what is showing up on here. So yeah, that's exciting. And now I cannot wait to get making, because I've seriously got my crochet back and I want to buy all the yarn. But like I said, it came really quickly, so this isn't sponsored. So thank you, Love Crafts, for being amazing. Like I said, I put it in order on Friday. Today is Monday and I got the free delivery. It was like, I can't remember, it's like 2 to 4 working days or something, with every, what was Hermes, and it's here already. So that is my yarn haul. Thanks for watching. I'm sure I'll be back with another one soon, because I'm going to put another yarn order in. Happy crocheting.